Most people are sending Payoneer payments the wrong way. And that's exactly why their payments get delayed. Or worse, completely blocked. In this video, I'll show you the exact process I use to send money from Payoneer to a supplier's bank account, including how to avoid delays, how Payoneer reviews payments, and how to download the payment confirmation. This is a real payment flow from my account, so some sensitive details have been hidden for security reasons. First, log into your Payoneer account. From the dashboard, go to Pay, then select Pay to a recipient's bank account. Next, choose the balance you want to pay from. In my case, I'm sending the payment from my USD balance. Now choose the recipient. If the recipient has already been approved, simply select their name from the drop-down. If you're sending money to a new recipient, you must first add their bank account and wait for Payoneer to verify it. Next, select the recipient category. This tells Payoneer what type of business payment you're making. In my case, the recipient is a goods supplier. This next section is very important because it determines how Payoneer calculates the payment. You'll see two options, You Pay and Recipient Gets. If you enter the amount under You Pay, Payoneer deducts the transfer fee from that amount. But if you want the recipient to receive the full invoice amount, enter the amount under Recipient Gets. My supplier invoice is $197, so I enter 197 USD under Recipient Gets. Payoneer automatically calculates the total payment. As you can see, Payoneer automatically adds the transfer fee. In this example, the fee is $10. Next is payment reference. Even though it's optional, I strongly recommend entering your invoice number here. This makes it easier if Payoneer later asks you to provide the invoice. In the transaction description, I usually include the company name, payment reason, and invoice number, so I can track the payment easily later. Now click Review and double-check all the payment details. If everything looks correct, click Pay. At this stage, Payoneer will ask for a verification code. You can receive this by SMS or from an Authenticator app. Many users face problems receiving SMS codes, so I switched to Google Authenticator. I also made a full tutorial showing how to fix the Payoneer SMS verification problem. After entering the verification code, Payoneer starts processing the payment. To track your payment, go to Manage, then Transactions. Here you can see the payment status. Payoneer may review payments to confirm they are legitimate business transactions. If they suspect peer-to-peer transfers, the payment may be blocked, or the account may be suspended. I explained prohibited transactions and common account blocking mistakes in another video. Once Payoneer finishes processing, the payment status changes to completed. Click the completed transaction, then select Get Confirmation to download the payment confirmation PDF. If this tutorial helped you understand the Payoneer payment process, consider subscribing for more Payoneer tutorials and account safety tips.